Sight and Sound Theaters presents a special broadcast event exclusively on TBN.
He's coming! The prophet is here!
What if God told you he had a plan?
Jonah, go to Nineveh.
God himself talked to you.
But you ran in the other direction.
He's gone!
Jonah? He wants to have mercy on a whole nation of people whose every thought is evil.
Whenever you run from something, you run to something else. And that's usually worse.
I'm not going to Nineveh!
Prepare to be swept up in one of the biggest Bible stories of all time as it comes to life on stage.
They took my father's life.
Yes, but they could not take his faith.
You won't stop running until you trust him here.
Jonah, only on TBN.